prominent skip hire company Sortera has upgraded its workshop with state-of-the-art lifting equipment from workshop equipment experts Totalkare. Sortera has been offering skip solutions suitable for a range of different waist types, from lightweight materials to builder's heavy waist. The T8DC mobile column lifts provide workshops with quick and easy access to the underside of vehicles for repair and maintenance. Each column has a safe working load of 7,500 kilograms and can be synchronized in sets of 4, 6 or 8, which enables the safe lifting of vehicles weighing up to 60,000 kilograms. James Atkins, Area Sales Manager at Totalkare, explained, "We were keen to ensure the Sortera team had the best equipment to achieve maximum productivity in their workshop, which is why the T8DC was the perfect solution for them."